So as you can see, a regular iPad 2, what I can do from here is pretty much access a Windows 7 enterprise desktop straight out of a VM server sitting in our farm. I connect via this 2X client that allows me to just put my credentials in, and without any need for VPN, it gets me right into the work computer. This happens to be Microsoft Online Offering Services, or BPOS. Provides email through Outlook or over the OWI client if need be. It also can do web conferencing, such as live meeting, SharePoint online, and also instant messaging, like pretty much an IM communicator for Microsoft. Pretty fully functional set of tools. I can bring from here native applications such as a Visio diagram and do some work on it. And you show basically I can change different parameters here, just a regular Visio. Even though it's resource intensive, it still runs pretty fluidly here. I mean, I have the power of server behind me, which is great. Can also launch PowerPoint, show the same diagram in a PowerPoint slide. Also have the ability to do a right-click function, just a regular mouse, or bring up a keyboard with this particular tool set. The ability to look at local shares within the different departments. I can pretty much access any particular file here. Go down to the different directories, and let me see if I can pick my name here and just bring up any document I like to show, such as an Excel quote, or maybe a Word document configuration output. Some of the tools are pretty heavy. For the most part, are the configurator tools we use here for quoting different devices, and as you can see, it launches just as quick as it does on the regular desktop, which is pretty impressive to be able to do it from a mobile device such as this. Also have the ability to fully utilize a mainstream browser such as Google, right, Chrome, or I can even go into, this case IE9, bring up any particular site, and just get some content out of it fairly quickly. Can do a quick search on any particular subject, and pretty much pull a web page and get the full benefits of just going through the different menus. And so pretty cool way to access your information, feel like you're sitting at work, even though you could be remote. A lot of times I can do this out of a regular cell phone card and just log on to the server from there. Big difference if you're looking, for example, at your own calendar, or maybe you're sending an email to some folks, and you have the ability to, let's say, show everything as you're sitting in your desktop, or have the ability to move files right into SharePoint via Harmony, and it's something that you can do. Versus if you were to do your emailing here natively, it's just going to show a regular mobile device in your signature. It's just going to be you can change this, but the functionality is good for mobile, but in my opinion it's just much better to have a look and feel of a regular desktop at your disposal. The ability to download any particular file set. This particular VM, I created a system that is 40 gigs in size, but you can pretty much create the whatever size or increase the size on the fly without having to rely on the local device to take care of your files storage. And going back to the download piece, this is a Flash-based site that is basically giving me the full range of the site has to offer. And as you can see, the download speeds are pretty good from the server standpoint. You're looking at 92 megs here. Looks like about 6 megs up time, which is great. If I were to compare it to something like a native tool, this happens to be an iPhone tool, which I'm using to record this video right now. The results are quite different. This is going over Wi-Fi basically. Although very good for browsing and downloading stuff, you can see the difference between a native iPad application versus what the server is capable of. So this is in a nutshell a Windows 7 running on the iPad. Hope you enjoyed the video.